Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are working in Microsoft Word, text boxes are incredibly useful for placing text exactly where you need it. But by default, they come with a solid black border that can make your document look cluttered or unprofessional. Today, I will show you exactly how to remove that text box outline in just a few clicks. First, open your Word document and locate the text box you want to modify. Click anywhere on the edge of the text box to select it. You will know it is selected when you see the sizing dots appear around the border. Once your text box is selected, look up at the top ribbon. A new tab called Shape Format will appear. Go ahead and click on that. In the Shape Format tab, find the Shape Outline option. Click the drop-down arrow right next to it, and from the menu, simply select No Outline. Just like that, the border is completely gone. As a quick bonus tip, you might notice that your text box still has a solid white background, which can hide the text or images behind it. To fix this, stay right there on the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. Now your text box is entirely transparent, allowing your text to blend seamlessly into your document's design. It really is that simple. If this quick guide helped you clean up your Word document, please leave a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.